Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I shot this LEGO set called Dark Trooper Attack. I'll also show you how I edited the image in Photoshop. Here's a quick look at the LEGO set I used for this shot, set 75324. It's inspired by the Season 2 finale of The Mandalorian, one of my favorite episodes. In addition to just the LEGO set, I used a few extra props to liven up the scene and fill in some gaps. I used these acrylic cylinders to prop up a 3D printed ceiling panel, which I would shine light through to cast reflections on my troopers' heads. I also used some black cardstock and another 3D printed Imperial wall to fill in this window area behind Luke. So here's my starting image. You'll notice it's missing the red light from my setup. I actually took 7 different exposures for this shot, all with different focus and lighting. Shooting toys this small can limit your in-camera focusing ability and can make lighting difficult. So in this case, I opted to stack several exposures together to get exactly the focus and lighting I wanted. I did this with a convoluted and time-consuming series of layer masks. I also used the pen tool, brush tool, and layer effects to add a glow to my lightsaber and droid eyes. With the exposure stacking complete, it was time for touch-ups and special effects. I used a custom brush tool to add sparks on my beheaded droid, and I used the healing brush tool and content-aware fill to remove the support stands. Then it was time to crop the image nice and tight and fill in the blank spaces in the corners. This took a little trial and error on my part, but I eventually settled on a manual cloning technique. All that was left now was to add a vignette and some adjustment layers. I used levels, color balance, hue and saturation adjustments. So once again, here's the starting image. And here we have the final image. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and checking me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time.